This video is going to take you through some of the basic text formatting that's available when using Microsoft Publisher. Here I have a text box with some text in it, and when I click into this text box, the text box tools format tab appears, and this gives me various options such as font, changing the bold, italics, the size of the text, the alignment of the text, whether I want to maybe change this text box into columns, and even the margins that come around this text. I can also use some of the word art styles and have different fill options. So to make some changes to text, first of all, highlight the text you want to change, and you have some options. So if I was going to create a title, perhaps I can increase the font size, and I can also change the font by selecting the drop down there and scrolling through some of the different font options. When you find a font that you're happy with and that you want to use, just click on it and that will stay as that font. Keeping that text highlighted, I can then make it bold, I can use italics or even underline it if I wish. You have the options to change the colour here, and you can also change the alignment in the text box, so whether you want it to align at the bottom, centre or top. You may want to right align the texts all in that text box, and you can do so like that. There are some word art styles you can use. If you click onto that, you've got some typical styles that are already on here, and just clicking on that will change to that style. If I really highlight the text, you can actually change the text fill and the text colour options and the outline option as well. You also have some basic text effects, so you've got things like shadow, creating a drop shadow, and there's various different options on this. And you have expanded options by clicking shadow options down there. You can also add a reflection of the text, make it glow if you wish, and also add a bevel. I can also create a secondary subtitle to this if I wish, and I can also use one of the preset options for that as well, or just alternatively change it to a basic option. If you select the text box, putting your cursor into the text box, you can make the text fit, and you can click best fit, and that will change the text to fit the best way in that text box. This option may be useful if you're creating a title and have a specific area that you want your title and subtitle to fit into. And so if you modify the text box size, then the text will shrink to fit that.